Hello, in front of me I've got IIYAMA G-Master. In this video I'll show you how to manage control panel on the monitor. In the beginning, behind right side of the monitor we've got the control panel. At the top of the panel we've got the button thanks to which we can go to menu, manage brightness, input volume, mode, image adjustment, language, setup menu, display information, and we can reset. Lower, we've got the input button. Next, we've got buttons thanks to which we can change volume, and in the end we've got the power button. All buttons are located in order behind right side of the monitor. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.